the same size in a grid. And depending on which layout manager you plug in, you get different behavior. So instead of having a subclass for every possible container, flow layout container, grid layout container, border layout container, you just pass in a layout manager, which is great because there's other strategies that you can pass in as well. If we take this to swing, for example, there's one called a border, which says, how do I want to paint a border around myself? If I have 15 different layout managers and 15 different borders, that would be a lot of subclasses. By using the strategy pattern here, I can just plug them in. Now I'm still using template method. And keep in mind that pretty much any time you use a strategy, you're automatically using a template method. The only time you're kind of arguably not is if you just have a method that has one call to your strategy, which seems kind of silly, right? You really wouldn't see that all that often. Okay, does that make some sense? Okay. Now one other thing I want to mention is, let's see, do I have it in here where I can actually bring it up? Let's see, import plugins. So I can remember where this is. Come on. He's thinking. Well, while he's thinking, a while back, like I don't know, a year or so after Eclipse came out, one of the things that I wanted to do is in Eclipse they have a properties view. And in the properties view it has name and value. So that when you click on something over here in your tree, it shows it up in the properties view, and then you can change the values.